Let me show you how to easily restring a weed eater that has got two strings coming out of its head. So first, find how to open the head of it. So you see, for example, on this one, I have to simply press on the side and then it pops open. And this is our spool here that we can remove. Also on this spool, we even have a direction indicating how we actually need to wind up. And then these spools actually have got a couple different designs how the line actually mounts to the spool. For example, you see on this one we have this notch. So what you would do is you would simply cut off basically fairly long line and simply find the middle of it. So you see I simply stretch it out and find the middle of it. Then I take my spool and you see I simply slide this line inside here like this, and then we simply wind it up here. See, I'm rotating and winding up both of the sides. Okay, and once done, also you see you have these keepers here as well, where you can temporarily kinda like insert your line so it doesn't like springs out on us. So you see it clips inside here. Then we can simply put it back in. So take it outside from the keeper and pop in this guide here and on the other one as well. And then I see it's very secure and it won't go anywhere. And finally also let's simply pop this unit back together and I see line is installed. Okay, good luck.